Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to see liked reels on Instagram. Instagram captures all your activities that you've done on your account, such as the posts you've liked, the accounts that you've interacted with, and other stuff. Now to view your liked reels, you need to first head over to your profile section on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, a menu will open up and you need to tap on your activity. Now, as I earlier said, Instagram captures all your activity which are listed right here. Now to view your reels that you've liked, you'll need to tap on the third option, which is interactions. And in interactions, you need to tap on likes. Now there is no separate section to view only the liked reels. You can view all of your liked posts, whether it be normal photos, videos, or Instagram reels. So that was the easy process on how to see liked reels on Instagram. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.